Hi class, my name is Dennis Boyle. I'm located in Bakersfield, California. This is my second year of teaching. I started last year in the pandemic running a SDC program, mild mod, and I had about 3 students on the spectrum. This year I run a social emotional transition program, and I have 1 student um, that's on the spectrum. Prior to teaching, I was an instructional aide, and at that point, I did experience both the mild mod and the mod severe programs. So I have some experience um, working with individuals on the spectrum. As a teacher, I feel like I gained more knowledge than what I had as a instructional aide and going through my credential program. But when it comes to assessment, I have not had the opportunity to assess any of my students or support in that matter when it comes to just just the academic assessments in general. Last year, because of the pandemic, assessments were on hold in my district. This year, I do have a triennial coming up, so I'll be helping with that. However, when it comes to assessments with um, identifying and classifying on students on the spectrum. I'm not sure what my role is as a teacher, or how I can support the school psychologist. So that's something I'm hoping to learn from this class is how a teacher can support a school psychologist through that assessment process to identify students on the spectrum. Something like I like to do on a rainy day. Um, doesn't rain often in the Central Valley, Bakersfield. However, I just enjoy just being indoors, watching movies, um, cooking, stuff like that. Well, I'm excited to meet all of you and work with you throughout this course.